Check this out, another day. We're gonna be doing caliper being painted red. It's super dirty right now, of course, because of the rain and the snow out there today out of nowhere. But yeah, we're gonna clean these up and dry them up and then paint them. Of course, we're gonna take it off though, and we'll see how it looks after. That's how it is right now. So the calipers are done, guys. Check this out. It's the back of it right there, looking good. And then the front. Finally. Now it looks really nice. Alright, next is gonna be another mod, a big one too, so stay tuned.